This is a demonstration video using the Forrest Manufacturing Model 648 jacketing shear. So I'll keep this mostly brief, but the basic idea of the jacketing shear is the world's most badass paper cutter. Most of my customers use this for cutting thin gauge sheet metal, 010 or 016 aluminum or stainless steel. 3 and 4 foot wide. The 648 has a 48-inch deep cutting area, hence the name 648. Today I'm going to try something a little different. I have a customer asking me if this machine will cut through basically a shrink wrap packaging. This is not their actual product. Their product is represented by these EPS pieces, shrink wrapped to a cardboard piece, and they would like to be able to cut these shrink wrapped pieces off these board into individual parts. I've never done this before, so I'm going to find out. Now, I have left the blade guard off this machine for this demonstration only. Never operate this machine without the guard in place. This is a genuinely scary machine. But that said, I'm going to operate without the guards very carefully. So, I've done some test cuts on cardboard, but I have not cut this actual material yet, so I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into. But I'm just going to line it up and take a few big whacks. It's actually cutting pretty easily. Look at that. Cuts it no trouble. So the customers provided these replica pieces to cut. He also sent along this. This is the actual dimensions of the work pieces they'll be cutting. And I think he said it's like 53 inches here. I didn't measure it, but that is larger than this machine can cut. So I would have to make for them a special machine with a longer blade. We could do that. We'd probably also do some things like, because I'm not supporting rolls of steel, we'll leave off the roll cradles, but that would be something we can do. So the short answer to all this is that yes, the 648 jacketing shear in this blade configuration will quickly and cleanly cut through the packaging materials on this. If you have any questions, please feel free to call or email us here at Forrest Manufacturing. Thank you for your time.